Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, I've taken all the nuts and pulled the bolts through. There was 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9 nuts come off together. And then the bolts appear to be studs with a nut either end. So when you crack it, one end comes out and the other doesn't. So they are all different lengths and sizes. So I've put them on the sheet of cardboard. 1 and 3, 2, 4, 13, 11, 14, 9, 10, and 2, and the ones around the cylinder, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that should help me not only put them back in the right order because they're marked in the book, but I'll know which way to tighten them up as well. And bolt number 7, which is the one lower behind the cylinder, had 2 brass washers on either end. That's the only one that had washers. It had a Allen key nailed head one end and a nylock nut on the other. The rest appear to be all just nylock nuts, but the other Allen key ones, there were 4 around the cylinder head, all Allen key, and none of the others had washers except for position number 7. So I've made a note of that. So it appears to be all apart. The next step is, okay, so all the nuts and bolts are out. The next step is just split the case, and I think there'll still be some oil in the bottom, so even though I've got cardboard, I've put a rag underneath. So I don't know how hard this will be to separate, or do I need to tap it with a rubber mallet? And it doesn't really give instructions on, just says tap gently.